Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a bit of a video and take you guys through a normal day, the life of me, during all this quarantine stuff. So I'm going to show you guys basically exactly what I do day in, day out, because we've had to isolate. You know, I don't meet up with anyone apart from my family every couple of days, and I just stay, you know, to myself pretty much. So basically what I do first thing is I get up, and this is me getting dressed because I'm getting ready to do a workout. I have my pre-workout, which I'll show you guys here. So I just bought this, it's cola flavored Freak pre-workout anabolics. Now I only have half a scoop because it still gets me buzzing, and I have it on an empty stomach because I like to work out in the mornings on an empty stomach because it's fasted, and I feel like it has the best benefits for me. It's not for everyone, but yeah, I like having pre-workout first thing in the morning, get ready, and have a workout. So I've been doing a lot of home workouts as well, and you probably noticed I've got a hoodie on, 10K Club, of course. But the reason I do that is because I like to get a sweat going, and I do the workout in my apartment here, obviously because there's no gym at the moment. I do the workout, I do like the setup that I've got, I don't have any weights, and I'm waiting on resistance bands, so I'm literally using stuff like putting a whole bunch of shit in my backpacks, in a couple of backpacks, using that as basically dumbbells. And then I've got a suitcase that's packed full of stuff as well, use that as some more weight. So that's all I've got. And if you guys didn't know, I before all this online stuff, I was actually a qualified PT. Well, I still am a qualified PT. I was actually studying to be a personal trainer, and I got my certificate, so I'm actually a qualified PT. That's what I was doing in my last lifetime. So if you guys didn't know that as well, I know a thing or two about fitness, and a thing or two about nutrition as well. I'm not a nutritionist, but do know a thing or two about it. I finished my pre-workout, and what I do while I wait about 20 minutes, I usually just come onto the computer, got a bit of music up at the moment, but I usually just go and check on emails and you know, check on my Shopify stuff, bit on Amazon, and then just answer back some students as well. Also, what do you think of my ISO haircut? I did it myself. Let me know if I did an okay job. I don't think I did too bad for my own haircut, you know, but let me know. Yeah, it's about time, so we're gonna get to this workout, and I'm gonna do some shoulders today. So basically what I do is I do weights, and then I go out, take off my hoodie, and I go for another walk, which is about 20 minutes. It's got heaps of steep hills and stuff, so I get a sweat going there too. But I do the workout in my hoodie here, just with weights, and then I go out for a walk, so I'm keen. Alright, walk time. So what I've been using to accompany me on my walks, also, not just the hoodie. What I've been using to accompany me on my walks is the audiobook from Jordan Peterson for his book, 12 Rules for Life. If you listen to audiobooks, I definitely recommend getting his book as an audio. He reads it. If you know who Jordan Peterson is, awesome. If not, look him up. Incredible book, incredible audiobook. Go and check it out. All right, now we just got back from a walk, and time for some protein. Got some double choc. Got a scoop of that in there. Yup. I don't usually buy protein, but I thought, like, I haven't had it in over 6 months. I haven't bought any protein. So went onto Nutrition Warehouse, Aussie website, and I got some protein, and it's good. It's a really nice sort of chilled drink plus snack plus, I guess you wouldn't really call it a meal, but just helps to refill everything after your workout. So I'm gonna go down this. So this is around the time where I'll probably start either editing a video or just checking on my products, like drop shipping, answer a few more questions from students and followers, and just do general like housekeeping stuff, I guess you could say. Not actual housekeeping, I mean like with the business stuff. Just checking on things and seeing what needs to get done. And I'll actually show you something as well. I'll show you something to do with my dropshipping product as well. So here's a dropshipping product. It's a single product that I launched. Now my goal was to, well, my first goal was to get to 1K in sales per week. on this store. Now we're up to day 8. Now, yesterday was the 7th day. It was the first week. We ended up getting just over $1,000. I think it was about 1,100, and today we're at 12, almost 1,300 in sales. So as you can see here, from the 29th of March to the 6th of April. So we're not doing too bad. And yeah, today I got 47 visits, 164.91 in sales. Now, just a few questions on this that I've had. I'm not using AliExpress, and people have had questions about whether the products are getting held at customs because they still are coming from China, but I haven't had any problems so far. So we're going to just see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys updated if I run into any problems. I'm actually using Zendrop, which used to be called Silk Road. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and check that out as well. It's a great way to get products from your store, to your store, to your customer. I think it works a lot more seamless than AliExpress, so try that out and let me know how you go. So as well, you guys probably would have seen this from one of my last videos. So I just got a few things here. I always change these every time I tick one off. But I am working on a dropshipping course for Aussies, and it's going to have all this stuff that I've been talking about in there, especially with a few things that I haven't mentioned right now to help you guys start your dropshipping business here in Australia. Like I said, I launched this product last week, and it's already up just over $1,000 in sales at the moment. So not doing too bad. Yeah, so I've scaled that. I'll probably put that as my next goal to $2,000 per week. And the only reason I'm doing this is to prove to myself and to you guys that it can be done as well. But yeah, these are just some of my goals that I put out there. I always check on this every day, just as a sort of reminder to myself as well. And these are just kind of my my everyday kind of things down here as well, which I try and get done as well. So yeah, after that, I make sure that I'm just getting on top of things. Look, to be honest, like with this quarantine stuff, I've really, it's really helped me kind of narrow down what I want to do. And it's really helped me to obviously realize, how lucky we are, and realize what, the opportunities that we have for what we can do, especially stuff like as little as going to the gym. Although I have been enjoying home workouts, I have been quite good. But apart from that, I've been working, but also chilling out a lot. So basically what I'll probably be doing today, and what I usually do every day, what I've been doing since this quarantine, is I'll make sure I get my work done, what I need to do. I may even launch a second product as well for dropshipping. I have something different in mind. So if I launch that and I get any traction with that, I'll let you guys know. And once I start going and getting a lot more success with this stuff, I'll show you guys the products, and I'll show you guys the ad sets and whatnot. I'm happy to do that. But I need to make sure that it works first. So I'll probably do that, and then like I was saying, after my work gets done, I'll probably just chill out and play some games. I like to play Rocket League on PC. So if you guys know what that is, I love that game. I sink so many hours into it. Love playing it competitively, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'll do. This video probably wasn't too long, but it's just a day in the life of me. So I'll wake up, do my workout. It's not too different to when it wasn't in quarantine, but it's just working out, making sure I get work done, making sure that everything's in check, and trying to do new things, trying to improve on things that I already have, and making sure that people are attended to. So that is pretty much it, guys. Like, if you have anything you want to see in particular, I can do a lengthier video on this, but that's pretty much it. I'm going to go and edit this video now, and I'm going to go and do some work, probably add that new drop shipping product in, make an ad for it, start to run that, and just make sure I'm optimizing my ads. If you guys want to know more about my Facebook ads, because I run my dropshipping product through Facebook ads. If you want to know more about that, if you want to know more about how I do that, let me know. But yeah, guys, apart from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it was a shorter video, but like I said, it's not too much you can go in depth with. It's just my work and just what I do from day to day. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day. See you guys very soon. Enjoy yourselves, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.